Hello, good morning, and assalamu alaikum to all of my grade 3 students. I'm your teacher, Sana Kausar, over here with the new lecture for all of you, and that is lecture number 22. And the topic is the same, Division 1. I hope so that my students start working well in the division topic. Okay, didn't study for a maths test and got top on the of the class. This is for those students who are doing the maths practice on a daily basis and who did very well for the in the quiz. So I'm really happy from your responses. Almost everybody respond very well. So keep practicing. Let's move on. Character of the days are, yes, this is something that I decide for all of you, and the characters are very interesting. Yes, can you guess that what is it? I love my job and I'm proud to be a teacher. Yes, characters are teachers and a different kind of teachers that you have in your school. So today you are going to enjoy different you can say that moods and the characters of your teachers. So task of the day is very interesting. As you can see that workbook page number 90 and 91, only two pages we will cover today, but you have to attend whole lecture very carefully because I explain division in a very detail, and yes, we will solve one two and very tricky questions as well. Self assessment is book 3. You are going to open your book 3 maths, and page number 99, there is a one question mentioned over here that I will explain and you will solve it in your book 3 too. So let's move on. Revision of division. Yes, let's revise. It's a time to revise division. And yes, you can see the character teacher with a lot of students. So let's revise that. What is a technique that I explain you for the division? Yes, meet the long division family. This is very interesting and I hope so that this technique really help you out. Dad, his job is to divide. As you can see that dad's job is to divide and mom job is to multiply. Sister's job is to subtract. Brother, his job is to bring down. And yes, in the last we have Rover, and his job is to check that whether you need to repeat and whether we need to collect the remainder. So this is very interesting. I hope so that you all remember the family names, that what is the job of each family members. Let's move on. Okay, I have another the same slide that I explained previously, and let's revise it again for those students who just forgot. So let's move on. Dad divides, mom multiplies, sister subtract, brother bring down, and rower mean repeat or remainder. So the question is, let's just move on the question. Where is the dad's number? Can anybody? Yes, the dad's number is inside, that is 43, and the mom number is 4. So you know that the mom job is to multiply. So you are going to start reading the 4 times table, and what we got the answer, 4 ones are 4. So now on the third step we have a sister duty to subtract. As you can see that then the sister subtract, and we have another number, that is 3. That's the job of a brother to bring it down. Yes, the brother bring down the another number, that is 3. Now I explain you and let's revise it again. Whenever the dad's value is 3, it's less than the mom's value, then what we used to do? What is the principle? What is the rule that I explain you? Okay, let me tell you. Whenever the dad's value is less than mom, so in that case, you will multiply mom's number with the 0. 4 zeros are 0. So you will put 0 on the top, 0 on the bottom, and then sister subtract. And what is our answer? 3. So that's the remainder. Now it's a rower job to collect the remainder. Joke of the day. Teacher's face when students gave excuses. Yeah, this is my face. And I also used to make this kind of face when I asked the students, you did the practice? And they said, no, ma'am, I was there, I was busy. So that's the face of a teacher when students give excuses. Okay, let's move on. This is a very important slide. I explain you the difference between dividing of without regrouping and with regrouping. The names are very long and difficult, but the method is very same and there is only a one difference in it. So what is it? Question, as you can see that the question is 68 and the we have a divisor, that is 2, that we can call this number mom's value. So the dad's value is 68 and the mom's value is 2. So what you did, you start reading the multiplication. 2 3s are 6, and when we subtract, our answer is 0. So let me get my pen to just point out the stuff for you. Yes, when we subtract, the answer is 0, and now we have a duty of brother to bring down the another number. Okay, now again, dad divides, mom multiplies. So start reading the 2 times table again. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8, and our answer is 0. So what is our answer? 34. This method is called without regrouping. The next method with regrouping is just the same one, but it has only one situation. As you can see that in this question, the dad's value is 75 and the mom's value is 6. So when we'll start from 7, so just start reading the table. 6 ones are 6. And when we subtract, sister subtract, we have not the answer in a 0. When 7 minus 6, the answer is 1, and the brother bring down another number. Okay, in this stage of the question, now you make a group of two numbers. Like 1 and 5 make 15. So now your dad's value is 15, and you will again start reading the 6 times table. Dad divides, mom multiplies. 6 twos are 12. And when sisters subtract, our answer is 3. So see, both the questions are same method. Dad divides, mom multiplies, sisters subtract. Only in this question, when you subtract, you got the answer in a digits. It's not like 0 like this. So when you make a group of two numbers over here, this is called regrouping method. So see, both the methods are same. There is a no big difference in these two questions. They both are joke of the days. When teachers face when the student asks to borrow a pencil. Yes, this is another face of the teachers. When in the morning time in the first class, students say that, ma'am, can I borrow a pencil? So this is something that's really annoying for the teacher. And yes, this is a face of the students before asking to the teacher that when you come to the class without a pencil, and when the teachers say take out your stationery, it's time to write down, and then you guys make a face like this. Okay, the both expressions are here and both are very funny. The teacher's face and the student's face. Okay, important point to be noted. Okay, this is a very important point that I want to revise with all of you. So just understand this point and your division will be a piece of cake for all of you. Let's move on. What is it? Okay, this is very interesting. Pay attention, the teacher is talking. Okay. I saw that in my classroom sometime. One friend is talking and the other was saying, look at the teacher. The teacher is watching you. So this is for best friends who used to talk, and when the teachers say, they start paying attention. So I want your attention. Let's move on. You can see in this question, we have the dad's value is 3 to 1 and the mom's value is 3. So dad divides, mom multiplies. So start reading a 3 times table. 3 ones are 3. Okay, yes. Then sisters subtract, and you can see that 3 minus 3, the answer is 0. Okay. The brother bring down another number, that is 2. Now see, the dad's value is less and mom's value is more. How this could be possible? Dad has always a very special and high value. So what you're gonna do in that situation, I explain you. Yes, the mom will multiply with the 0. 3 zeros are 0, so you will write 0 on the top, 0 in the bottom. And yes, when the sisters subtract 2 minus 0, the answer is 2. You see? Easy. And now the brother bring down another last number, that is 1. So what is your value over here? Your value is not 1. Your value is 21 over here. So at this point, you are going to read 3 times table again. Now the dad's value is 21. It's bigger, so start reading the 3 times table. 3 sevens are 20. Sisters subtract 21 minus 21. The answer is 0. Okay, see, this is a very important point over here. When the dad's value is less, you are going to multiply mom's value with the 0. This is a very important step, and just remember it. Okay, now my students, open your workbook page number 90, and we have a very interesting question over here. So let's start solving it. So my students, first of all, we will write down the question over here. I tell you a very important trick that how you can take the help from the tables by writing it on a side. This is something that is really helpful for the new beginner. So when you will look at the first number, the dad's value, so the dad's value is 1 and the mom's value is 5. So what we're gonna do at this stage, when the dad's value is less, you are going to make a group of two numbers over here. Like you will not solve it one by one digit at a time. When the dad's value is less than mom at the first place, so you will make a group of two numbers over here and it turns into a number 17. Yes, after making this group, now the work is very easy. You are going to just start reading the tables that dads divides, mom multiply. So start reading the 5 times table. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. 20 is a bigger number, so we will select 15. Yes, 5 threes are 15. Now, after writing it, sister subtract. And when we subtract 17 minus 15, or you can say that 7 minus 5, your answer is 2. Yes. Now the brother bring down another number that is 2. Yes. Now just start reading the 2 times table again and your work is gonna be very much easy. Start reading the tables. Yes. 5 fours are 20. So it's simple now. Sister subtract and your answer is 0 over here. 20 minus 20, the answer is 0. So your answer is 34. See how easy it is? Now let's part the part number I. In the same way, you are going to write down the question first. As you can see that on the screen that the 2 times table is already mentioned over here. So just start looking at the numbers because 1 is smaller than 2. The dad's value is less than mom. So you are going to make a group of numbers over here. It turns into a number 14. So what will be the answer? 2 sevens are 14. So you will write down 7 on the top, 14 over here, and 14 minus 14, the answer is 0. So now the brother bring down another number that is 5. Okay, now start reading the 2 times table again. Can you see the answer 5 over here? No. So which number we are going to select? 6 or 4? 2 twos are 4 because 6 is bigger. So you will write down 2 on the top, 4 over here. Sister subtract and see. 5 minus 4, the answer is 1. So our question's answer is 72 and your remainder is 1. Don't forget to mention your remainder. This is very important that you should mention it. So see how easy it is. You just need to check when the dad's value is less than mom at the first place. Like at the first place it is at the less number. So you are going to make a group of two numbers. You start taking the two numbers as a dad's value and then you will find out the answer. Easy. In the same way, let's solve the another questions. Move on. Now the question number is J and we have a question 408 divided by 3. So write down the questions. So for your convenience, what you can do, you can write down the table. Okay, now start reading the table and look at the dad's value first. The dad's value is 4 and the mom's value is 3. So dad is more. So just do it simply. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 6 is bigger. So you will select 3. 3 ones are 3. Sister subtract and now 4 minus 3, what is our answer? The answer is 1. Okay, don't forget to do the subtraction properly. And now the brother bring down another number that is 0. So what number is it now? It's a number 10. So just start reading the table again and you can see that 3 threes are 9 because 12 is bigger. So you will write down. So you can see that 3 threes are 9, 10 minus 9. What is our answer? The answer is 1. 1 is left. And then brother bring down another number that is 18. So now where our number is 18. We make a group of numbers over here again, that is 18. So where is it? Just find out. Okay. Yes, 3 6 are it. So you can see that it is 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 18, the answer is 0. So what is our value? Our value is 136. So let's move on. After writing this question, again, you can see the value of that. So start reading the 3 times table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 9 is bigger. So which number we will select? We will select 6. 3 twos are. Now sister subtract, and what is the answer? 8 minus 6. So what is our answer? The answer is 2. Now the brother bring down another number, that is 0. So start reading the 3 times table again. Which number I'm going to select? 21 is bigger than 20. Dad's value is should be bigger, so you will select number 18. 3 6 are it. Sister subtract 20 minus 18. What will be our answer? I'm just doing it directly. 20 minus 18, the answer is 2. And see, we have the last digit 0 over here, so brother bring down another number, that is 20. Again we got the same number, 20. So again we will select 18, not 21, because 21 is bigger. So you will write down 6 on the top and 18 over here. 3 6 are 18. Sister subtract, and what is our answer? As a remainder, that is 2. So our answer is 266, and the number which is left, that is called remainder, and that is 2. That's some good maths right there. Yes, this is something that I observed that now I hope so that you guys just start doing a good maths practice and you guys start understanding maths too. Okay, now the last page of the day, that is page number 91, and being a teacher over here, I'm here to explain you. So the character of the day is teacher. So let's move on. This is a simple matching questions, but it is not that much simple. So you need a proper practice for it to solve the question and then match it. So first of all, you need you can say that any space or any page. Okay, let's do it directly. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8 is bigger, so I will select 4 ones are 4. When 7 minus 4, the answer is 3. Then the brother bring down the other number, that is 1. So when you read the 4 times table, 4 8s are 32, which is bigger than 31. So what number you will select? 4 7s are 28. And when you subtract 31 minus 28, then what is the remainder? That is 3. So our answer is 17 and the remainder is 3. So can you find out that where is it? Yes, just match it. See how we can do it? This is the way that you can solve the question. So for the next part, yes, you need another rough page. So start writing the question. Okay, so how I solved this question, as you can see that 9 twos are 18, and when we subtract 24 out of 80, when we subtract 18 out of 24, our remaining number is 6. Then the brother bring down another number, that is 6. So we have a number 66. And when you read the 9 times table, so 9 sevens are 63. So you will subtract 6 minus 3, the answer is 3. So can you see the number 27 with the remainder of 3? In this space, we have a same number 27 but remainder r. And here we have 27 with the remainder 3. So you will match it with this number. That's better. Okay, let's move on for the part 3. So how I solve this question, as you can see that we have a number 84 and 3 is the number which is we are going to start reading the table. So 3 twos are 6, 8 minus 6, the answer is 2. Then the brother bring down another number, that is 4, and when you read the 3 times table, so 3 8s are 24 and our answer is only 28. So now match it with 28. Yes. Well, the next part, that is 167 divided by 6. So write down the question. Okay, how I solve this question, 167 divided by 6. When you will read this question, you will see that we are going to make a group over here and the number is 16. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. 18 is bigger, so you will write down 12. 16 minus 12, the answer is 4. And then the brother bring down another number, that is 7. And you will read down the 6 times table again. 6 sevens are 42 and 6 8s are 48. So 48 is bigger, so you will select 6 sevens are 42. And when you subtract, your answer is 5. So where is 27 with the remainder of 5? Here it is. Yes, match it. That's very easy. Okay, for the second last part, this is also very easy. Okay, for the second last part, as we can see that our number is 9. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So I will mention 2 on the top and the value is 8. 9 minus 8, 1 is the answer. Then the brother bring down another number, that is 2. And our number is now 12. 4 threes are 12. So our answer is 23. Where is it? Okay, match it. For the last part, I will suggest you all to do the working by yourself and then match it. I'm just doing it directly because I know that this is the number left and this is the answer for it. Okay, I hope so that both. A very, very important note that do practice of division and multiplication regularly. And yes, this is a very teacher code for all of you. May your coffee be strong and your students be calm. This is a very good, you can say that best wish for the teacher, that you just always get a very strong coffee to be active and your students must be calm in the classroom. That's a happiness is, this is just a joke of the day is when you forgot to do your homework and the teacher is absent. Yes, this is something that I can imagine whenever the teacher give you a test and unfortunately if you get absent, then the students are so happy that the teacher is not here. So this is a joke of the day for all of you. uh, do practice of multiplication and division on a daily basis. Take care. Bye bye.